Hello everyone, this is my classroom where I study in class 12 commerce. You can see this is now improved right now. That was my seat, second one. You can see the backside garden from here, the scenery we see. You can see the birds. This is our playground actually. Here we usually try to go from classes. And this is our third eye. Shivji ka pratishtha at over. Here we used to stick our projects mostly. Teachers told us to stick some about Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan only, but we used to stick projects. We liked it. This was the last bench which everyone wanted to sit for masti. This is my seat, the second bench. Second bench, this is my seat, and you can. No, this is the old bench. My name was also there. Yes. Okay, here was Shailaja Kanta and Ankit. Here was our Rakesh and Satyam Patra. This is our teacher's seat. Here we used to study accountancy, business studies, economics, English, but not mathematics. Mathematics हमारा अगला रूम सामने वाला class. This you can see our list. 1261543. This is me. This is our cupboard. Yes, see, you can see this bench. This is the old bench we used to sit, but this is the girls' side, not our side. Our benches that side it was there, but then they are changed. This is our epic dustbin. This is our fan. We usually fight for this, but keep it off or on, off or on. This whole side was totally covered for fan. Everyone used to try to sit in this seat, which is already I am sitting. Okay, it's time to exit my classroom. Tata, bye bye. I'll miss you. I'm really gonna miss you.
Really gonna miss my class.
Mask is always allowed. Let me close my door. Uh-oh, the door is not closing due to air. Close the door. I'm exiting now, but let us move towards the library. This is a basketball court. I'll show you outside how does it look. This is a playground second road. Usually you used to go to playground using this road. I mean this route. Let's head to our library. This is not a vlog actually. In vlogs you usually will see music videos and all. This is our science student class. In this class we used to take mathematics. See. In this class we used to study mathematics where here Tripathi sir used to stand, our mathematics respected sir, he used to write all his mathematics tricks. And this was our seat. Usually I used to sit here. Shailaja Kanta Mishra here and there and all. He has all friends here. I was a new student of 2 years just in KV. Let me head towards my library. Actually, dad is calling me from that side. You can see my dad back. This is a staff common room. All our teachers used to sit here and we used to go and complain and something and all. This is our school library and this is the list. You can see we don't submit their books. I am not in this. Okay. This is our library. Now it is closed. Actually, otherwise I would have shown you. And this one is new. Actually, they have made this one new. The boards and all, PISA corner literacy, PISA corner mathematics literacy, PISA corner scientific literacy. All boring. In this place one time I have given a speech competition. This is the speech board. I got very nervous for my first time in live speech. and others, everyone was sitting here, all three sections. This is a suggestion box, you can see, which no one uses and no one checks every time. All these are pictures. This is the outside. Actually, this is also one route for when we used to go to canteen. That side, canteen was that side. This side we used to go on recess time actually. Uh, that is our security, Anil Bhaiya. You can see him. No, if I'll show you outside, and I'll go outside. Okay, no need to show it bathroom. Everyone, it is common. This route we used to go for our canteen, and the other route was the back side. Here, not this one, this route. That is a bathroom. And also, their art room was also there. Okay, wait a second. I am now stopping the video. Let me directly take you to the basketball court outside, or the lobby. First, our lobby or a KV.
And sorry if you can't understand my voice because I'm wearing a mask. Mask is compulsory. Huh? Sorry, try to understand by seeing the video 2 times.
This was our medical room, not this one, that one. We used to go there, and that was our main assembly seat. We used to sit there and time pass our assembly and all. Okay, this is our lobby. You can see our lobby. You can see our lobby. This is our Saraswati Mata Murti. This is Saraswati Mata Murti there. We are heading to our toppers list. This is our topper one, topper list. You can come to the face now. Come. I can see our these are cute faces. You can see the face. Let me find my dad. Wait, okay?
This is our principal's lobby where I used to rarely enter.
This what you are seeing is our school canteen. Actually, right now it is not clean because there's something fire they are doing. I don't know that. You can see our canteen there, that side. This is our canteen. We used to line from here, and this is our not normal auditorium type. This one. We used to sit here during our recess and eat our breakfast, lunch, and all. I'm not going ahead that side because there's some. I'm not going ahead that side because there is some fire and all. You can see there fire is there. I'm not going ahead. I'm scared of fire. Okay, let me go. Actually, I'll meet you in the basketball court because right now I have to go for principal's chamber. Okay, bye.